So we continue with the RNTCP. Intermediate reference labs at state TB training and demonstration centers, designated microscopy centers at the periphery. Each NRL will supervise sputum microscopy, EQA of states designated under them. The NRL will ensure proficiency of RNTCP staff for carrying out good quality diagnosis by providing technical training to the STOs and STDC directors, microbiologists and lab technicians of states. The states will designate one IRLs in the STDC or medical colleges or in any public health laboratory of the state. The designated IRL will conduct sputum microscopy EQA for the state and occasionally for a neighboring state or union territory. The IRL will provide technical training to district and sub-district technicians and STLS. Sputum microscopy diagnostic services under RNTCP are provided by DMCs established for every 1 lakh population, 50,000 population in tribal, hilly and remote areas. In addition, the DMCs are also established at medical colleges, corporate hospitals, ESI, railways, NGOs, large private hospitals and other major hospitals. Quality assurance for smear microscopy, it includes internal quality control, external quality assessment, quality improvement. Internal quality control, it is a systematic internal monitoring of working practices. It includes technical procedures, checking instruments, quality of new batches of staining solutions, smear and preparation and grading, etc. External quality assessment, a process to assess laboratory performance. It includes on-site evaluation conducted at least once a month by STLS and to the DMCs, once a year by STDC and IRL lab supervisors to DTC and TUs, once a year by lab supervisors of NRLs to STDC and IRLS. Panel testing, this determine whether a lab technician can adequately perform AFB smear microscopy. This method evaluates individual performance in staining and reading. Panel testing is not performed as a routine in the DMCs. Random blinded rechecking of routine slides. It is a process of rereading a statistically valid sample of slides from a laboratory to assess whether that laboratory has an acceptable level of performance. Performed once a month for every DMCs. Quality improvement, a process by which all components of smear microscopy diagnostic services are carefully analyzed with the aim of looking for ways to permanently remove obstacles to TB cases is being done at the block level, DEOs, data entry operator of NHM. The system has been extended to include drug-resistant TB cases, online referral and transfer of patients. Achievements, RNTCP has been recognized for the fastest expansion of DOTS in the world. During the year 2009, DOTS treatment success rate was 87%. Diagnostic facilities have been established in greater than 13,000 labs DMC throughout the country. RNTCP has successfully involved 297 medical colleges, over 1971 NGOs and 10,984 private practitioners and over 150 corporate private sector units. Quality assurance protocol for smear microscopy has been implemented in all the states. 662 DTC and 2,698 TB units greater than 13,000 DMC are functioning. About 140 internal evaluations conducted in 2007. Greater than 6 lakh DOTS provider. 38,287 MDR TB suspects examined till the end of 2011 and 10,267 MDR TB patients diagnosed in 2011. 6,994 have been put on treatment. Then you have the program performance, and here in Manipur how it was they have told. Recommendations, strengthening and improving the quality of basic DOT services, further strengthening and alignment with the health system under NRHM, deploying improved rapid diagnosis at the field level, expand efforts to engage all care providers, strengthen urban TB control, expand diagnosis and treatment of drug-resistant TB, improve communication and outreach, promote research for development and implementation of improved tools and studies. Government of India has declared tuberculosis as a notifiable disease on 7th May 2012. All public and private health providers shall notify TB cases diagnosed and treated by them to the nodal officers for TB notification. Thank you.